I made an Android app in minutes with this AI tool. Intro. Hey there, creators and tech enthusiasts. Imagine being able to design a fully functional Android app faster than you can finish your morning coffee, without writing a single line of code. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm about to show you how to make that dream a reality with an AI tool that's not only revolutionary but also ridiculously simple to use. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to streamline your development process, this is the video for you. Stick around, because we're diving deep into how you can unleash the power of AI to create apps that can wow your friends, impress your clients, and even earn you some serious cash. Ready? Let's go! Why AI is a game changer for app development. Let's face it, traditional app development can feel like learning an alien language. Hours of coding, debugging, and navigating endless tutorials can leave anyone frustrated. But what if I told you that AI has completely flipped the script? Now anyone with a good idea can create an app, regardless of their technical background. AI tools like Cursor make app development faster, easier, and way more accessible. It's like having a super-powered co-pilot who takes care of the heavy lifting while you focus on creativity. And the best part? You're about to see just how simple it can be to create your very own Android app. Step 1. Installing and setting up Android Studio. The first step in your app development journey is setting up the powerhouse tool, Android Studio. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. Head to the official Android Studio website and download the installer. Mac users, click Install, Done. Windows users, same process. Just make sure you grab the version compatible with your system. Once installed, fire it up and set up the Android emulator. Why? Because testing your app on a virtual device saves you time and helps you catch any issues before going live. By the end of this step, you'll have Android Studio running smoothly, with the emulator ready to roll. Trust me, this is the foundation for bringing your app to life, and it's as easy as setting up a new phone. Step 2. Starting your first Android project. Now comes the fun part, actually starting your app. Here's how. Launch Android Studio and click Start a New Project. Name your app. Pick something snappy and relevant. For example, Bike Buddy, if you're creating a cycling app. Set your package name, which acts like your app's digital fingerprint. Choose the minimum SDK. This determines which Android devices can run your app. Pro tip: aim for maximum compatibility. By the time you finish this section, you'll have a blank canvas ready for your creativity to shine. Step 3. Linking Cursor AI to your project. Now let's introduce the game changer, Cursor AI. This tool is like having a personal coding assistant who turns your ideas into actual code. Here's how to link it. Open your project in Android Studio, head to the Cursor Composer, where you'll input commands like create a login screen with email and password fields. Watch as Cursor generates clean, functional code in seconds. No tech jargon, no complicated syntax, just tell Cursor what you want and it delivers. It's so intuitive that it feels like magic. Step 4. Building core features with AI. Let's take it up a notch. Imagine you're creating a biking app. Here's how to add some killer features. Fetch local weather data. Use a weather API like Open Weather Map to provide real-time updates for your users. Cursor simplifies this by handling the API calls for you. Route planning. Let AI generate a route planner that calculates the best paths for cyclists. These features add serious value to your app, making it functional and user-friendly. Step 5. Enhancing your app's user experience. Nobody likes a boring app. Here's how to make yours pop. Color-coded weather cards. Use green, yellow, and red to indicate biking conditions. Visual appeal. Leverage AI tools like MidJourney to create icons and graphics that align with your app's theme. User feedback. Add a simple feedback feature so users can share their experiences. Small touches like these can make a huge difference in how users perceive and interact with your app. Step 6. Running your app on a real device. It's time to bring your project to life. Here's how to test your app on an actual Android device. Enable developer options on your phone. Connect your phone to your computer via USB. Run the app through Android Studio and watch it come alive on your device. This step is incredibly satisfying. It's the moment your idea becomes reality. Step 7. Packaging and sharing your app. Finally, let's package your app into an APK file. Go to Build. Build Bundles, APKs. Build APKs in Android Studio. Share the APK with friends, family, or even beta testers. You've just created and distributed your very own Android app, and it didn't take weeks or months. It took minutes. Why this matters? AI isn't just a tool, it's a revolution. It's breaking down barriers and democratizing app development for everyone. You don't need a computer science degree or a big budget. All you need is an idea and the willingness to explore. Conclusion: your journey starts here. Congratulations! You've just taken a massive step toward mastering AI-powered app development. Now it's your turn. What kind of app will you create? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Authentic2AIT for more groundbreaking tutorials and insider tips. Together, we're shaping the future of content creation. See you in the next video.